Hello viewers, today I'll tell you about American epic historical drama film Braveheart, directed and co-produced by Mel Gibson. I'll tell you all characters, real name, age and how they look like then and now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Cast: William Wallace. Then age 12 years. Now age 36 years. Real name James Robinson. Cast: Prince Edward. Then age 31 years. Now age 57 years. Real name Peter Henley. Cast: Malcolm Wallace. Then age 41 years. Died in 2009. Real name Sean Lawlor. Cast: Little Murron. Then age 7 years. Now age 34 years. Real name Mahari Calvey. Cast: Robert the Bruce. Then age 32 years. Now age 58 years. Real name Angus Macfadyen. Cast: Campbell. Then age 48 years. Now age 74 years. Real name James Cosmo. Cast: Queen Isabella. Then age 29 years. Now age 55 years. Real name Sophie Marceau. Cast: Argyle Wallace. Then age 49 years. Now age 75 years. Real name Brian Cox. Cast: Morrison. Then age 30 years. Now age 56 years. Real name Tommy Flanagan. Cast: Stephen. Then age 30 years. Now age 56 years. Real name David O'Hara. Cast: King Edward. Then age 67 years. Died in 2009. Real name Patrick McGoohan. Cast: Hamish. Then age 40 years. Cast: Mornay. then aged 49 years, now aged 75 years. Real name Alan Armstrong. Cast Murron, then aged 23 years, now aged 50 years. Real name Catherine McCormack. Cast MacClannough, then aged 39 years, now aged 66 years. Real name Sean McGinley. Cast John Wallace, then aged 25 years, now aged 51 years. Real name Sandy Nelson. Cast William Wallace, then aged 39 years, now aged 66 years. Real name Mel Gibson. Cast Robert the Bruce, then aged 67 years, died in 1999. Real name Ian Bannon. Thanks for watching.